Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Siberia 800. In this video I'll show you how to charge batteries. In the beginning, let's take out the battery from the headset. Set it aside. And now, right here we've got the second battery. Pull it outwards, replace it, and now put this battery inside this pocket. As you can see right there, we've got the pins on the bottom left side, so also make sure that you're putting it correct way. Just remember that you have to put it with SteelSeries name to the top. And now make sure that transmitter is connected to electricity. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.